Hello everyone, welcome back to the House of Recipes. Today I am bringing before you some Chinese dishes, Kung Pao chicken and devil momos. First let's marinate the chicken for Kung Pao chicken. So I have taken 600 grams of boneless chicken. I have cut it into cubes like this. Let's add some salt as per taste, some crushed garlic, little bit of pepper powder, soya sauce. I have taken dark soya sauce, rice vinegar. So if you don't have rice vinegar, you can use apple cider vinegar also. A little bit of oil. I am using sesame oil. So mix everything nicely. And we'll keep this aside a minimum of 15 minutes. The chicken is coated well with the sauces. Let's keep it aside now. So by the time our chicken is getting marinated, let's make the devil momos. So first we'll make the chutney for the momos. So I have taken 2 big tomatoes cubed, cloves of garlic and dried red chilies. So this I have already soaked it in water for 15 minutes. So this will give a nice red color to the chutney as well as reduce the spiciness. So add some salt, a little bit of salt. So here our momo chutney is ready. You can see the nice red color. So let's keep this aside. So let's proceed with the devil momos. So here I have already made the momos. It's a veg momos with cabbage and green onion stuffing. You can also make non-veg momos. The sauce remains the same. I have put up pan to heat. So first we will salt this green capsicum and onions. Again I am using sesame oil. For Chinese cooking, sesame oil tastes better. Let's salt this little bit. Here you can see the onions and capsicum have been fried. So now we'll add the momos to this. Fry this nicely. Here our momos have also got fried well. No need to brown this. Let's transfer this into a dish. And in the same pan, let's pour some oil. Add some chopped garlic, green chilies, 1 chopped onion. Fry this nicely. Let's add the prepared momo chutney. Just according to your taste you can add. Add some salt. Pour some water. Let it boil. In the meanwhile, let's make a paste of little corn flour, little bit of tomato sauce, soya sauce, let's add this into this pan. So you can see the sauce is boiling nicely and it has thickened a little bit. Let's add the prepared momos to this. Mix it very gently. Let the sauce get coated in the momos. Here you can see the momos are coated nicely with the sauce and a nice red color is there. So let's transfer this into the bowl. So our devil momos are ready. Let's garnish this with some spring onion greens. So let's make the kung pao chicken now. For that I put the pan on heating. Here again I am using sesame oil. The spiciness of the kung pao chicken comes from the dry red chilies. So accordingly you can add this. Here I have some crushed garlic and ginger. Spring onions, finely chopped. Saute this nicely. Let's add the chicken pieces into this. Fry this on a high heat initially. You can see the color changing of the chicken and a nice aroma of the soya sauce and the rice vinegar is coming. Fry this nicely on high heat. Here our chicken is fried nicely and it is half cooked. So let's add some sauces to this. In a small bowl, let's mix some water. We'll add some soya sauce into this. Little bit of vinegar. Black pepper powder. Mix this nicely. Pour this into the chicken. Mix it nicely. Now we'll add some peanuts into this. Cover this and cook it for a while. Let's check our chicken now. Yes, it's cooked nicely. It is dried up. Let's remove this into a serving dish. So here our kung pao chicken is ready. Let's garnish this with little spring onion greens and some peanuts. So here are devil momos and kung pao chicken is ready. And if you like this recipe, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also visit our website. Link is given in the description.